everyone, today in front of me Realme C25Y and I'll show you how to create the home screen folders on this device. So first, just press for a while with your finger on the application and drag it here to another application by this way. And as can you see right now, we got here the new folder on our screen. If you want, we can add one more application here by the same way. Now if we'll open the folder, we can here type the name of our folder, for example apps. And now as can you see, we got here 3 apps. If you want to remove one from the application right here, just press for a while and drag it here, for example to the screen, or if you want you can also drag it here to the remove icon. Just you will remove the icon from your screens, and also you can install if you want. Also we can just move your folder between the screens by this way. Just press for a while and drag it to another screen, or you can move it here on your screen. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.